Having trouble sleeping? Well, let me tell you how to get great sleep in just 5 quick tips in 2 minutes. Tip number 1 is to have a magnesium salt bath in the evening. You can also add a couple of drops of lavender oil, and this will help detoxify your body and relax all your muscles and relax your nervous system and just ensures really great sleep. Tip number 2 is to try passion flower or chamomile tea, or a nice combination of a sleepy time tea. There are so many on the market. They are really great for relaxing you and ensuring good quality sleep. Tip number 3 is to meditate. Meditation is a great way to unwind at the end of the day, to shut off your thoughts and your mind, and to just relax and fall into a nice deep sleep. Tip number 4 is to do some sun gazing. Doing sun gazing in the morning will ensure melatonin production at night. Make sure the sun is just coming up and you only do it for a few seconds, but it really makes a huge impact. And tip number 5 is to get blue blocker glasses and to be careful with those devices and the blue light at night, because all of those are signaling to your brain to wake up, wake up, wake up. So make sure you get rid of the computer, your phone, or if you are on those devices or watching TV at night, make sure you're wearing blue blocker glasses. Now, if you have any more tips for me about how to get good sleep, please do share below. I have over 100 different tips for anti-aging, including for quality sleep, in my book, The Aging Games, How to Come Out a Winner. So please do check that out as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.